Everyday AI is turning professional animation and everything related to it into one click. Bullshit. If you don't know how to use it properly, your level is endless useless stories about cats. But today I'm gonna tell you what many people paying thousands of dollars for right now. In my last video, I already showed you how to make these killer videos using free AI tools, but today I'll show you how to achieve maximum results exactly like the creator community, Baby Boy, Tape Warp, and etc., for whose courses in pyramid entry ship are paying thousands of dollars. So let's begin. It all starts with an image.
Image generation.
Let's break it down using one reel as an example.
ChatGPT's new web browser landed me at 8K client.
Issue is, most creatives send hundreds of DMs, get ignored, and then stay broke. So I built one prompt
that finds the right brands and tells me exactly what to pitch them. Firstly, I paste my meta prompt. It finds brands in my budget range, analyzes their recent campaigns and cultural position, then generates 3 creative concepts and writes my outreach
copy. Made a visual example in 10 minutes, strategic as fuck. Comment clients for the full meta prompt.
Okay, so let's break this down into scenes. The video starts with an ultra-realistic image styled with a late 19s called sci-fi color grade, where the creator uses lip sync to overlay their voice on the character. Then we can see a transition to the end frame, speed up to hide the transition frame or stock footage. The middle is screencast of the process. They're described for sale. We'll skip this part since right now it's important to learn how to generate a source image. Alright, let's choose a concept. I like Y2K MTV style, and let's also add some Quentin Tarantino for a better hook. Let's throw together text for the hook like, are you still trying to save up $1,000 to buy a course from these commerce and join their pyramid scheme of liking each other? Yes, that's exactly what they do. Learning to create such videos isn't difficult, so they're not actually selling courses on creating videos, but selling entry into their pyramid and rising only because they're liking comments on each other's posts, which gradually increases their reels reach and gets them into recommendations. By the way, I'm inviting you to my free pyramid. Let's like and comment to each other's posts and grow together. I'm serious. I leave a link to free entry into my pyramid for AI creators in the comments. Let's help each other grow for free. Alright, we'll have this text. Are you still trying to save up 1000k to buy a course from these commerce? Enjoy their mutual liking pyramid? Stop. I'll tell you everything for free. This text will be super catchy and there is a chance the reel will blow up. I'll post it soon, so please support me. Okay, let's keep going. So first we need an image, a hook to grab attention. Creators often use maximally extravagant, hyper-realistic images that immediately grab attention. If you don't understand the basics of lighting, framing, color grading, photography style, you won't be able to describe what you want right away. In that case, go to Pinterest or any other stylish photo stock and choose an image that resembles the Y2K MTV style. For example, this one. Upload the image to ChatGPT and ask it to describe the photography style. Great. Now delete the chat. In the previous video I explained why you should always do this when generating a prompt. Definitely watch it. Paste the prompt in a new chat and specify the pose. Let her be lying on the bed on her stomach with legs raised up. Let's add some Y2K design to her room and posters on the wall. And we get a ready prompt with a description of the pose and the image itself. Now go to Midjourney, choose the aspect ratio depending on what are you making the video for, and definitely add the code --Q4 for enhanced image quality. Midjourney always generates 4 images. I will choose this one. I'd like to make several additional angles of this image so the video has smooth transition. Go to Nano Banana on Envato Labs. Envato Labs gives unlimited generations in Nano Banana and Wheel 3.1. I'm seriously hooked on them and I recommend it to you, since other platforms always charge tons of credits. And if you are a beginner AI creator, it probably won't work for you. Link in description. Nano Banana on Envato Labs works extremely accurately. Simple prompts are enough for it to understand what you want. We ask it to make an extreme close-up of her face and we immediately get the results we need. Now you can either voice the text with your own voice or write a text in Veo 3.1 and it will voice it for you. I preferred the first option, but for example, I'll show you the second option. So right here on Y2K Labs, we choose Video Gen, which is Veo 3.1, and insert start and end frame. Write an animation prompt plus voice-over lines and wait for the result.
Are you still trying to save up $1,000 to buy a course from these scammers and join their mutual liking pyramid? Stop. I'll tell you everything for free.
This is basically the principle these videos are created by. Very soon on my channel will be bigger and more detailed breakdowns on creating more complex reels in this style. I'm also working on a full video about using Midjourney, how to bring those exact images from your head to life. Subscribe and leave a comment, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.